Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the SD card's drive letter and status. This matters because commands target a letter, not the device name. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Once done, type disk part, then list volume to confirm the drive letter and size. Make sure to note the exact drive letter, for example E, and any odd capacity that signals corruption. If files are accessible, back up now. If not, proceed, because the next steps overwrite structures and aim to rebuild the file system. You run chkdsk to repair file system errors and recover bad sectors. Type chkdsk e/f/r/x and let it complete. It can take time depending on size. If chkdsk cannot fix the file system, use disk part to clean and recreate partitions. List disk, select disk N, clean, create partition primary. Then format the new partition with format fs equals FAT32 quick or format fs equals exFAT quick depending on card size. Once formatted and assigned a letter, verify by copying a small file to test read/write integrity. You want to confirm stability before regular use. Make sure to safely eject the card via the system tray to avoid corruption. If the card still fails to mount or repeatedly shows errors, try a different card reader or USB port, test on another PC, and consider low-level formatting tools from the manufacturer. If none work, the controller may be damaged, and replacement is the only reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.